Hey, what's up, YouTube? Vlog 2 of the channel today. On my way out to go get my Boat Lives Matter decal from Mountain Guy Slick. Slick Auto Wraps, little cold start for the day from Pressure. Look, black and gold mofo. What y'all know about that? Hey, what's up, guys? On my way to Slick's house to go get my Boat Lives Matter decal. If you guys want a decal, I got the outline of the Chargers, Challengers, and Chrysler 300s. And at the bottom of them, it says Boat Lives Matter. For all you guys that don't know, the term boat comes from the car enthusiast. Like, it comes from the car enthusiast impression of Chargers, Challengers, and Chrysler 300s because they're so heavy, so they call them boats. So look, I'm just here to let y'all know, Boat Lives Matter. Boat Lives Matter. Now let me put this on. Which one of these was it? Yes. Go and twist the wheel a little bit.
So how big are you thinking?
So probably between like what'd you say? It's like
14 and a quarter.
You said that was 14 and a quarter?
Yeah.
I don't even know you, but fuck you.
Is 22 wide?
First and foremost,
Yeah. You said 22 wide?
Nah, I was saying there's 22 wide. Huh?
I don't think so.
Okay, by
huge gap here with the light of potential just radiating.
and you said it was 4 inches top to bottom?
Right now, with it being 20 inches left or right, it'll be 5.5 inches top to bottom.
Okay, that's great actually.
Insomnia yet? They don't know what it's like to have to take an
So Slick, really? An actual boat?
Shut up.
This man thought I was talking about an actual boat.
And resentment towards your family just cluttering your mind.
If you guys are ever in the DMV area, make sure you follow him on Instagram at slick_AC. Get your wrap done, tint, and decals. Unfortunately, he's all the way in Greenbelt, though.
Fuck you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Think about doing some car reviews after I get a few, maybe like 2 or 3 GoPros. I'm probably gonna do. I'm thinking about doing Mustang GTS 550, Dodge Challenger RT. I think it was like a 2010, and then the regular 5.0 Mustang GT. Let me know, comment below, subscribe. And if you guys want one of the Boat Lives Matter decals, let me know. I'll be selling them for about $15. I can change the font, and I can also change the logo based on the body style of your of your Charger, Challenger, or 300, let me know. Comment below. And let me know what you guys want to start seeing in these videos. Alright, bye.